Morning, guys. So I started last night putting this together. Put one new headlight on. I do some modifications because it's from the older one. The newer one, it's not quite the same. I have to do it on this side too. So I put this on, but I forgot to put the reservoir back on. So now I gotta take this back out. Yeah, fun times. So yeah. Gonna start putting this back together. Hopefully we should have this on, the headlight on, the side marker lights on, and maybe get the suspension done. I did do the rear. Put this one on. Put the lip on. And we gotta do brakes, rotors, suspension. We gotta do that bump steer thingy. Put the front lip on, front bumper. So still got quite a bit of ways to go, but she's going. It's moving. So we got most of it back. Well, I got most of it back together. Can't put the bumper on today because I got a few pigtail thingies missing from the accident, so can't put the front bumper on today, but got everything back on. Put the radiator, condenser, headlights, had to modify that a little bit. Now I'm doing the brakes and I'm lowering it, then I put the rims on. Alright, so got some suspension, got one on, painted, about to throw the brakes on, and probably just gonna do this side, do that side skirt. I'll probably just call it a day. So I'll get the back done and brakes and all that fun stuff, and then I'm probably just gonna call it a day today. Got a lot done. Put that front end on, got the condenser on, put the radiator on, got these little hoses that I bought put on, radiator hoses, changed the ground cable, cleaned them, put the headlights on. Had to modify this because this is from the older one, so it was a kind of a bitch, but we got it on. We aligned the hood, the fenders, and this. So yeah, I mean, we're cruising along. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I did half of it. I'm freaking tired. Did the brakes, rotors, coilovers. Did this side. So I need to adjust it because you could put 4 here, and then you can only put 3 here. So need to adjust it. I don't know if it will settle, but I'm not sure. I've got such a mess to clean up. So I'm about to clean up. Tomorrow's another day. I will adjust this one. I like the height on that. It's not too low, it's not too high. It's perfect. I'm trying to get this like that. We'll see. And alright, stay tuned guys. Let me clean up my mess. Tony out.